Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Wendy's French fries. So quality is our recipe. So I really like French fries. I like potatoes. I live on an island that is basically a potato, Prince Edward Island, so potatoes come naturally to me. And French fries are an unhealthy version of a potato, but they are flavorful. So Wendy's French fries, I think there's 360 calories in this, and they're salted. About 580 milligrams of sodium, somewhere around there. But they got potato skins on them, which I think is really nice. Not a lot of fast food places do that. I like potato skins, so they're great. They have a very unique taste. Wendy's French fries taste different than other places. I don't know why. Might be the oils they use, the potatoes that they use. I don't know. They taste good though. They're kind of big. They're thicker than like McDonald's French fries or any other places. They're quite thick, but they don't feel greasy and oily. Like they're not soaked in oil. That's pretty good. Again, I love the potato skins on the sides. That's super cool. They're flavored. The potato French fries are different in taste and texture than other places. And they're also different in appearance, which is cool. I really like Wendy's French fries. Not the best French fries out there, but they're very, very good. So I'll have a couple more of these and I'll give my review on what I think of the Wendy's French fries. Wendy yourself. So yeah, Wendy's French fries, they're a little bit bigger than some other French fries. More flavor than other places too. Like McDonald's French fries, I find I have to dip it in something, whereas these, they're fine to just go and eat just like this. So I would give the Wendy's French fries an 8.5 out of 10. It's a pretty good French fries. Salty, but nice. And they are very different than other fast food restaurants in terms of like what they are. My favorite thing about them being the potato skins that are on them, which is kind of cool. I don't think I can think of any place that has French fries like that, so that's cool. They feel more wholesome, even though they are deep fried and not very healthy. They're cool. So yeah, go check it out. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.